Are you looking for the best orbital sanders in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best orbital sanders that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Festool Random Orbital Sander, 574,993. For quality and extended overhead and vertical use, this is the ideal orbital sander that guarantees excellent service. This is because the orbital sander is relatively lightweight and compact in design for both overhead and vertical operations. Secondly, the sander also has a jetstream design, which makes it deliver high-efficient dust removal. Due to this, it brings about longer abrasive, better finishes, cleaner air plus extends the pad life. It is a user-friendly and comfortable sander that has been ergonomically formed. With this, it suits a number of users as it fits any hand size perfectly. Moreover, the orbital sander makes it elementary to adjust it to your needs thanks to the stepless variable speed. This makes it appropriate for a wide range of activities. The sander also features a balanced vibration stop, which offers a smoother operation plus greater comfort. At number 4, Ryobi 2, 6 amp single speed loop, corded random orbit sander. The dust bag is a vital feature for every orbital sander since it aids in maintaining the workplace cleaner. This quality sander has a large dust bag, which aids in protecting the blowback plus keeps the target visible. Due to this, it delivers great and excellent performance just as expected. Additionally, the sander is easy to use thanks to the convenient on-off switch located next to the grip. This allows for easy switching on once you have held the grip firmly, hence it doesn't get away. Besides this, it comes with sanding discs to allow for easy use of the machine once it is out of the box. The good thing about the machine is that it allows for an easy and quick change of pad thanks to the hook and loop system. At number 3, Skil 5-inch Random Orbital Sander. Do you need a convenient and ergonomic sander for your daily tasks? This is a powerful and efficient sander that you will find convenient and perfect for all your tasks. The sander is easy to use and clean since it features the X-Flow dust collector, which utilizes cyclone force for easy dust collection. Besides this, the quality sander works at variable speed, hence you can adjust the machine to suit your needs. Due to the compact and ergonomic design, the machine can easily sand even into tighter places for excellent results. It is a powerful sander with 2.8 amp motor to deliver up to 13,000 orbits every minute. At number 2, Gedu Professional Air Random Orbital Sander. When you wish to smoothen any surface, this dual-action pneumatic sander is a great selection you never want to miss. This is because it is a powerful sander that is able to deliver up to 12,000 RPM. More interestingly, the sander has a high strength plus wear resistant to ensure that it serves for years, hence a perfect long-term investment. The quality sander is multi-purpose since it has a lighter air motor, which suits it for both overhead and vertical sanding. You can easily control the speed thanks to the built-in regulator to bring about a smooth and efficient sanding. The machine also features a rear exhaust to blow the dust. At number 1, Makita 5-inch Random Orbital Sander. Here is a unique powerful sander that has been designed to suit different sanding tasks. The machine delivers a fast and smooth sanding since it has a powerful 3.0A motor. The good news is that the machine operates at variable speed, making it ideal for adjusting to the ideal speed that will suit the operation. Due to this, it is a widely applicable machine to rely on. Featuring a dust-sealed switch, it doesn't contaminate the machine for long-term use. It has the pad control system to offer better speed control upon a startup for quality and reliable services. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.